Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install NVIDIA app. So let's get started. So to do that, what you have to do is first open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for NVIDIA app. After searching for NVIDIA app, it will take you to this page where you can find this first option which says download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that you will come up to this website where you can download your NVIDIA app. So it's in the beta version. So what you have to do is to download it is just to tap on download beta. And by tapping on download beta, your app starts to download. So here in the top right you can find download icon, just tap on that. And after downloading your NVIDIA, you just have to open your file and then allow this access. Now just tap on agree and continue. After tapping on agree and continue, now what you have to do is select the preferred driver. So you can select your gaming ready driver, or you can select your NVIDIA Studio driver. So the first one is for gamers and the second one is for creators. So you can select any driver that you like, and after selecting a driver, just tap on next and again tap on next. After doing that, now you have to again tap on next. Now you can log in to redeem your account. So if you like to log in, you can just log in, but I would like to skip it. And after skipping that, now you have successfully installed and set up your NVIDIA. And now what you can do is just simply log into your account, and after logging into your account, you can just download any game that you like and then play that game. So that's it guys, this is how to download and set up NVIDIA app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.